Hello students, we are going to discuss chapter number 7 for class 6th, that is adjectives. Look at these sentences. Irfan is a hard-working student. This is an old table. It's a windy day. So the underlined words in these sentences are adjectives. So adjective is a word that tells us more about noun or a pronoun, or we can say that adjective describe, identify and quantify a noun or a pronoun. So let's have a look on the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, adjectives of number, possessive adjectives and distributive adjectives. So here we have the types of adjectives. Adjective of quality refers to the shape, size, color and state of a noun or a pronoun. Adjective of quantity shows how much or how many, and the words used for this are many, enough, several and little. Demonstrative adjective means here to point out something, and the words used as adjectives in a sentence over here are this, that, these and those. We have interrogative adjectives then. Interrogative means to ask a question, and the words used for them are what, when, which and whose. Then we have the adjective of number. As the name itself suggests, that, 3, 20, first, second, some or any. Then we have possessive adjective. Your, my, her, its, their, his, our. It shows the relationship between two nouns. Possessive. Then we have distributive. It refers to each person or thing in a group, and the words used for them are each, every, either, neither, any or both, or we can say etc. Not only the kinds, but we have the degrees of adjectives in comparison. So let's get to know about them also. So students, we have 3 forms of degrees in adjective, where the first one stands with positive, second is comparative and third is superlative. So the positive degree of adjective is the base form, and it is an example right over here, means hot, the base root form. That is, if we are talking about a noun, it is a hot, right? Then I have many books. This is a simple sentence with a positive degree of adjective. And if we talk about the comparative degree, comparing two or more things, that is plus er or more to the base form of the verb. That means to the base form of the verb we can add er or we can add more with it. Example, hotter. So here the base form was hot, the positive degree, and it will become hotter by adding er to the base verb. Or more, the example of more is also given over here. For example, I am more surprised than you are. So this is called the comparative degree of adjectives. Then we talk about the superlative degree of adjectives. It says comparing 3 or more nouns, that is est or most to the base form. Again, just like the comparative degree, but little bit different from that. So hottest, so the base form is actually hot, so we are adding est in this. Or this is the most beautiful flower, the most, we are adding est, or wherever needed, most. This is the superlative degree of adjectives. So let's have a look on the exercise. Underline the adjective in each sentence. You have to underline the adjective by finding it out. The roads of Delhi are wide. So here the adjective is wide. Then similarly like this you have to do the other points of the exercise. Come to the next one. Fill in the blanks with the type of adjective mentioned in the brackets. Now the type of adjectives are mentioned in the bracket, and according to that you have to fill up the blanks. Is this dash eraser? May I borrow it? So what is going to come over here? Possessive adjectives. And one of the word we use with possessive adjective is this your eraser? May I borrow it? Similarly, you have to fill it up with adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, adjective of quantity, and demonstrative adjective, and vice versa. Look at the next one. We have to fill in the blanks with comparative degree of adjectives. My friend is dash than me. So here will come my friend is better than me. Similarly, all the other points you have to do. Then fill in the blanks with the adjectives in the superlative degree, that is the highest degree, the last superlative degree of adjectives. It says it is the dash day of my life. It is the best day of my life. Similarly, you have to do the other points also. Hope you've understood the chapter. Thank you, students.